Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, a few months back you would have seen that I bought a beautiful larch from Xavier at Xavier's Bonsai retreat. Now, after sitting and staring at it for months, I finally decided to give it a wire and a style. So sit back, relax and see what I come up with. So here I'm just going to secure the base of the tree to make sure I don't disturb any of the roots while I manipulate the rest of the tree. Now the base is secure, I need to test the limit of the rest of the trunk to find out where I feel comfortable with it, and I'm going to anchor that down with some guy wire. Now I'm going to wire the top part of the trunk into my desired position using 2.5mm wire. Now that the trunk is all wired and shaped to how I would like it, I'm going to work from the bottom branches up to do the same. While I whiz through all of this wiring, I'd just like to take this opportunity to say a massive shout out to the Tree Masons WhatsApp group. You know who you are. I'll put the names and links in the description and at the end of the video. Great bunch of lads. We talk about everyday life. We help each other out through the trials of everyday life. And we give each other the confidence and the inspiration to make better videos, better content for you guys. Yeah, just a wonderful group of lads. We've got a few from Britain, a few from over the pond in America. Yeah, just a great bunch of lads, and their content is definitely worth going and checking out. we go guys, that's Xavier's Larch, all wired and styled. It took me well over an hour, hence the speed. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please consider giving me a like, sub and a share, maybe even a comment, and I will catch you in the next one.